7:37, time to focus on business. Business editor Mike Eppel joining us now. Mike, why is oil and copper falling this morning?
Well, it's this World Bank forecast that came out late yesterday, Ted, that had traders getting a little bit more concerned about where the global economy is moving for 2015. And this morning we've had talk about deflation in certain economies, in the European Union, in Japan. And that risks falling prices, which leads to lower consumer spending because consumers will just wait till tomorrow when prices theoretically will be that much cheaper. It's a spiral effect. And under these circumstances, the price for oil has certainly played its part because it's dropped dramatically. The price for gas has fallen as well, and that's sapping the strength of our economy and other oil-producing nations. The only economy that's actually doing anything right now is the U.S., and even there we're looking at some mediocre signals. The U.S. retail sales results in this morning, not all that good for December. Even with the falling price for gasoline, they were below expectations. So under that environment, we're coming into the trading day with interesting turn of events really on the market. The bond yield for Canada government bonds at a record low, 1.52% on a 10-year bond. You invest for 10 years, you get 1.5%. That is remarkable, considering the fact that even at the height of the economic crisis and all of that bond buying that was going on by governments and central banks, we never saw yields this low. So will the big banks, keep in mind for this, will the big banks adjust mortgage $1,000 jobs, $1 billion in the capital expenditures cut back for 2015. Canadian Natural Resources said this pretty much the same thing earlier this week. We also have shares of Apple and GoPro in the spotlight. GoPro sold off big time, the camera company. Some investors worry that Apple's got new patents about digital camera technology, and also Tesla. You had the auto show forecast and talk there just a few minutes ago. Tesla shares down sharply this morning because the CEO Elon Musk says sales slowing down a little bit with the falling price for gas. Electric cars maybe not quite so popular, and they're not expecting any profitability until 2020 at the earliest. So interesting times, as per usual, on the markets.
Interesting indeed. All right. Thank you, Mike. That's business editor Mike Eppel reporting this morning. You could hear Mike on 660 News at 26 and 56 after the hour.
This market report is brought to you by RRP, Rapid Response Project, accredited consulting engineers dedicated to delivering excellence in innovation. RRP, leaders in engineering, procurement, and construction management.